wasn't really able to speak a lot because I had company over, but we got the windshield washer stuff, the lines hooked up and run. These are actual windshield washers slash vacuum lines that we got from AutoZone, and we just cut them up and made them fit into what we already had from the old windshield washer lines, which was these Ys and these little holders here, these little, I call them W's, and then these little clips that go in and hold it. But yeah, we just took it from this, which was the original line, and it just comes up like this, and then we plugged it in. So now it's got windshield washers. And then yesterday we put on these little shocks here to hold the hood up, because before the hood wouldn't hold up on itself because the shocks were messed up. But now we got to get this coil pack done, because if you see here, it's just cracked and it's allowing water to get in and making the motor where it runs rough. And I also have to really clean the motor, because if you can look, I mean, it's quite dirty. I probably need to polish this intake and all. Don't know why this tape's here. But yeah, it's got all new radiator fan. Well, this one's all new. The whole new radiator. The core support is green because the car this came off of was green. And I think that fender was probably green before too, in the bumper. But yeah, we got that done off of the old lines that were right here. The reason we didn't use these is because they're really hard and brittle. So we went ahead and got this new line that's soft and able to flow better than the old stuff. We also had to find a way to hold this up, so we kind of just zip tied it to the hood support right here. So yeah, so it wouldn't rub down here on the motor, because I didn't really feel like having it rubbing on the motor. So we just zip tied it together. But overall, the way it looks is pretty good. It comes into this little like Y piece here, then splits out into two lines, and then the one line comes back and curls back into that one. And then the other one comes across and comes down to this little piece right here that holds it, and then it comes up and curls into there. So overall, it's a fairly good looking setup. It's not hard to do. All you have to do is really cut your lines according to the size. I'd recommend using a tape measure. We didn't, so it kind of made it a little sloppy, therefore having to use this. But just cut your lines on even. You can buy these Ys and all at auto parts stores for dead pennies. Like, it's cheap. So getting these little plastic pieces and Ys and all to hook up is pretty cheap. The most expensive part, I think, was these. These were 25 bucks to get the little sprayer nozzles, and that was really just because it had to be shipped. But overall, it's really simple and really easy to do, and I'm really glad we did it rather than just not running windshield washer fluid.